Welcome to the Biograd B2B, the most thriving business community in the nautical industry. With this online platform, we are enabling you to match and pre-schedule meetings. Let me explain how it works. All registered participants will automatically be registered on the online Biograd B2B Business Directory. At the moment of the registration, you will receive an automatic email notification with the activation link. Click on the link to activate your account. The username is the email address that you have submitted with the application form. After the activation, go to our web address https://community.bbs.com.hr or click on the link in your email if provided. Log in using your email as username. Also, type in the password that you entered in the activation form. When you log in for the first time, please fill in your profile. Having a complete profile increases your opportunity to connect with and meet the right people. After you're done, save changes. On the next step, select relevant tags, what you offer, and what you are looking for. This will ensure the right people can find you. Save your selection. To get noticed by other attendees, in your profile fill in all the relevant information about yourself. You can edit your info by selecting Profile menu, then Personal Information, and then select Edit. You can also edit the services your company offers or is looking for. Save changes when you are done. To showcase your company, fill in all the fields on the company information page. Select Profile menu, Company page, and the Edit option. Save changes when you are done. You will notice different events on the initial interface. Croatia Charter Expo for Croatia Charter Expo participants. Biograd Boat Show for nautical suppliers at the Biograd Boat Show. For more details, click on View All Events. If you want to meet participants registered at the Biograd Boat Show, select this event and browse the registry of the boat show business attendees. You can book meetings with the boat show exhibitors at their stands or meet with other Biograd Boat Show visitors. At Croatia Charter Expo event, you will find all registered Croatia Charter Expo participants. Browse the registry of the Croatia Charter Expo business attendees and book meetings with the exhibitors at their stands or meet with other Croatia Charter Expo visitors at the tables in the B2B lounge. If you want to book a meeting with one of the participants at the boat show, choose the event called Biograd Boat Show. When requesting a meeting, select Members from the top menu, then Persons. You can filter members by clicking on Show Filters and selecting the services you are offering or looking for. Select a member and then click on Request a Meeting. Request a new meeting form will appear. Choose your event, date, time, and you can leave a message. Click on Send Request. To check your incoming requests, click on Agenda and then on Incoming Request. Here you can reject, reschedule, or accept a meeting. Click on Confirmed Meetings to see all accepted meetings. When the meeting is confirmed, you can send a message by clicking on the Message button. Enter the subject of conversation, text, and click Send. You can also make direct phone calls. Select Agenda, Confirmed Meetings, and then the person's avatar. Click their phone number to call. At the event, you can use your smartphone to check out your meetings. If you want to draw attention to your offer and increase your business opportunities, create opportunities within your profile by clicking on Marketplace. Then on My Opportunities. Click on Create an Opportunity. Advertise your products and offers by adding photos, video and textual content. Make sure to select the tags for supply and demand and save changes. To check opportunities, click Marketplace on the top menu and All Opportunities. You can filter opportunities by clicking on Show Advanced Filters and selecting what you are offering or looking for. Select the opportunity. Event attendees can also reach you through your ads by clicking Request a Meeting at the top of each opportunity. Time slots can be blocked in your agenda if you know you won't be available at certain times. In order to block the time slot, click on your profile at the top right side of the screen. Select My Availability, create a block time, and click on Save Block. Once you have filled your calendar with confirmed meetings, check your agenda by clicking Agenda at the top menu's upper right corner. Make sure to select the event name from the drop-down menu. At the upper right corner, you will see an icon for the export of the ICS document, which you can import into your digital calendar. If you are not using a digital calendar, you can download your appointment list in Excel or PDF format by selecting the print icon in the upper right corner. Select the event name from the drop-down menu. Choose the desired format. Click Print. Your agenda will be downloaded to the download history in the upper right corner. Fill your agenda with valuable business meetings now.